In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Webflow, CSS width, max width, and min width explained. Tutorial 2020. Before we style anything, it helps to know exactly where CSS belongs in Webflow so it loads reliably and behaves the same on every page. We'll start in your project settings, move into the custom code area, then look at the head code, the footer code, and a few advanced settings that can influence how your styles are delivered. By the end, you'll know where to place rules for width, max width, and min width, so your layouts stay consistent across devices. First, open your Webflow dashboard and select the site you want to work on. Head into Project Settings. This is the control room for site-wide configuration, and it's where you'll manage any custom CSS that supports your designs built in the designer. Remember, anything you place here affects the entire project, not just one page. Next, click the Custom Code tab. This section is split into two main areas, head code and footer code. A quick but important tip, changes placed here require republishing your site to take effect. It's best to publish to a staging domain first to verify everything works as expected before pushing live. Let's talk about the head code. This is where you put styles that must load before the page renders, like global CSS that defines width behavior for containers, images, and components. If you're standardizing layout, this is the right place to declare rules such as a container's max width, letting content scale gracefully. As a refresher, width sets an element's explicit size, max width caps how wide it can grow, and min width prevents it from shrinking too small. A common pattern is giving a container a max width so it never gets too wide on large screens, while setting width to 100% so it's fluid within that limit. For images and media, max width 100% keeps them from overflowing, and min width is helpful for buttons or cards you don't want to collapse on small screens. Keep your head code clean and organized so site-wide rules are easy to maintain. Now the footer code. This loads after the page content, and it's ideal for scripts that may interact with layout or toggle classes affecting widths. Placing scripts here can improve performance and reduce layout shifts because the HTML and CSS are already in place. Finally, review your advanced settings. These options can influence how assets load and how code is delivered. When making larger changes, create a backup and test across breakpoints using Webflow's device previews to confirm your width, max width, and min width rules behave consistently. That's it. You now know exactly where to place your CSS for predictable width control across your Webflow site. Congratulations.